People are lined up at the gate waiting to get in. Show opens at 9 a.m.
Good morning, folks, and welcome to the 42nd annual QUARTZSITE'S Sports Vacation and RV Show. The show is now open. Please open the gate. Enjoy your shopping. Thank you for coming.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tigner Adventures and the QUARTZSITE'S show. This is the first day of the show. We are in booth 319. Man, I have been walking around early here. It hasn't opened yet. It's going to open here in about 5 minutes. But just looking at a few different things, and there's a lot of new stuff this year. So that's pretty exciting. So we're going to kind of check it out and show you around the tent a little bit here and there. Each day we'll try to do something for you. So stay tuned. We're here with Bradley, and he's got this cool little product here called Dump Buddy, and you can kind of see it right there. And you want to tell us just a little bit about it? And
sure. What Dump Buddy allows you to do is to connect the sewer hose coming from your RV to a pipe coming up out of the ground. And it'll support a number of pipes ranging from 4-inch to a coupler. This one's a threaded one, which people think that the threads are always really good. Typically the threads are poorly threaded inside because people strip them. We don't care about that. What Dump Buddy allows you to do is secure your waste pipe coming from your RV to a pipe coming up out of the ground when you're going to be doing your sewer dumps. The way it works is that you secure the lower strap around your pipe, push this button in, that locks it in place, bring it over your elbow, same thing, this is adjustable. You then crank down on it till you meet a little resistance, press the button, and it locks it in place.
cool. And how much is this normally, and then the show price here?
On Amazon, it's $42.95, so it is available on Amazon, and the show price is $35.75.
And then plus tax
Plus
comes
tax,
at
yep,
$39. Well, Amazon's going to charge tax too.
Amazon
so.
charges tax either way, correct.
Yeah, so.
There's like an $8 or $9 savings at the show.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, we're here with Steve, and he's got this new product, right? It's
Yes.
My Jetter.
Yes, I'm one of the co-founders of MyJetter, and we invented this because we have grandkids who kept plugging up our toilets in the RVs. So basically, it basically makes the RV owner the professional. You can basically hook up the MyJetter elbow to the end of your sanitary system. This is your flex hose that discharges. And
that's
MyJetter is a commercial jetter head that professional plumbers use that's been modified to be able to operate in the same efficiency with static water pressure. You insert the MyJetter through the foam rubber grommet, which makes a seal around the MyJetter hose and does not allow waste to leak out on you, so it's no mess, and it contains it all within itself. You open up the system, you bring it up, makes turns real easy. Goes past it, has an on and off valve here so that you can control the water flow right here instead of running to the hose bin. And once you get in the tank, you can also do preventive maintenance. It goes all the way around. There's one large forward jet and 3 reverse jets that also clean the line as debris is cleared. It just flows out right past to the dumping station, no mess.
So you don't have to pay a guy to come and clean your tank.
No, and they charge you about $300 to $400
Right.
to do it.
Yeah.
And this does the preventive maintenance without the expense.
Okay, and your show special here is $100.
I'm sorry?
And your show special is $100.
$100 today. This also has the ability to go in from the inside as well. After you cleared it and cleaned it, you can also go through the toilet, spinning it around, and it gets all the sensors cleaned off so that they work. Most sensors stop working after a while.
Right. Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Scott Morgan with Mogan Imports. We created an item called the Icy Light, which means interior cabinet light. It's a battery-operated light system that you put inside your cabinet, especially for the RVs. It's designed so when you close the door, the light turns off, and when you open it, it turns on, just like that. So it illuminates everything. There's a lot of RVs that we have are really dark, even during the daytime, because a lot of people have their blinds closed. So we needed a way to be able to supplement the light and not have to worry about tapping into a 12-volt system in the coach. Not many people know how to really get into that type of electrical work. The kits that we sell, it's battery operated. You put 3 AA batteries inside there. That's my battery pack. I put Velcro to mount it inside the cabinet. We have a switch, and then we have LED string lights that we peel and stick. They come in a couple different lengths, but it's designed so I put this on my door, so when my door opens and closes, that's what activates the light. And it makes it real simple for people to be able to get some interior cabinet lighting. We've been doing it now for about 4 years. We have 2 US patents on our product, and we stay really busy out here at the RV shows.
That's cool. Thank you. Well, we have finished the first day.
And I use the toilet a lot.
Hey, I just wanted to show you, they have lots of toilets. There's actually 4 entrances that go into the area of the tent. So they have these all around each one of the entries. They have RVs that they're selling at one of the entrances also. And the other entrance straight across from us goes out to those other flea markets and like the adult daycare center.
Really?
Yeah, I can't remember the name of the restaurant, but anyway, yeah, so, you know, lots of access here, lots of ways of taking care of everyone. It has been a very busy day and a lot of people for one day, so especially for the first day. So we had a lot of good times and met a lot of cool people. So that ends this video, and this it ends this
First day
of fun. So anyway, so you guys take care, and we'll see you down the road somewhere. Remember, come by and see us, booth 319. See ya.